Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Haroon Rashid. Welcome to my YouTube channel. There are several teleconferencing tools available. Some of them you may have been using in the past, such as Skype, very well known, Google Meet, which was previously Google Hangout, Zoom, and many others. Today, I will show you another very interesting teleconferencing tool which is freely available to use up to certain limit, and it is called Cisco Webex. So in this video, I will show you how you can make an account with Cisco Webex, what are the tools available to be used for you, and how you can use it. If you have not subscribed our channel until now, please do so. And don't forget to press the bell sign so that you can receive the timely notifications. Let's begin. So in Google, very simple, you just have to type Cisco Webex and this is the first website, video conferencing online meeting screen share. So you click on Cisco Webex. It will take you to the Webex website, which is you can directly reach there, webex.com. So you have to join it here, start for free. Interestingly, this is free as like other softwares and it is quick, no credit card needed, no commitment. So very simple, just you have to type here your email address that you are going to use with this Webex account. So in my case, I have mentioned my email address and you have to give your first name. You have to choose your country that you are coming from and the language that you would like to use. So in my case, I'm from Malaysia. I'm choosing English and continue. Okay, your new account is ready. So you will receive an email and that you have to click for further actions. So here is my email address where I received the email. So you will receive a similar email, welcome to Cisco Webex meeting, and here is your Webex site address. So you will also receive a unique Webex site address that can be used to access by your client or by your friends who would like to join a meeting with you. So your username will be the email address that you have used to create this account. Now, in the next step, you have to create the password. So just click on create password. It will take you back to Webex site and in your account. So here you can key in your password and make sure your password must contain this information which is written on the right hand side. So I'm going to put one of my password here and I'm going to use very simple, oh sorry, so the issue over here is coming that I was trying to key in very simple password. So you must have to use a little bit difficult password because it's one of the requirement that your password should not be a easy ones. So I have key in my password and when I click on continue, and here you go. This is your Webex account where you will get the information. You can upload a picture over here to personalize your account. And then at this place, this is your link. So you received earlier the half link meetings sapac17.webex.com. So if you have to give an address to your audience to join your personal room meeting, so this is that address. So you will also have received a unique address like this. So in your case, you will have this unique address. Plus, once you click over here, you will get all the information. Here is the meeting number for your personal room, and then there will be the other details like how people can join by video setting or joining by phone. So for this video, I will conclude here, and I will show you rest of the things in my next video. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell sign so that you can receive all my videos timely. Thank you very much and see you in the next video with the further continuation of Webex account. Take care. Bye bye.